Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the Noisefit watch and phone so pairing works smoothly. Charge the watch to at least 50%, then press and hold the side button to power on. This ensures stable setup. Next, install the Noisefit app on your phone and enable Bluetooth, location, and notifications so data syncs. Once done, create or sign into your account inside the app, because the watch stores settings and history tied to that account for accurate tracking and backups. Now you pair and configure sensors to collect reliable data. Open the app, tap Add Device, select Noisefit, and confirm the pairing code shown on the watch. This authenticates connection. Then calibrate core settings, set time, preferred units, and which wrist you wear it on, because accuracy depends on correct orientation. Finally, enable health permissions for heart rate, sleep, and step counting, and allow background refresh, so the watch syncs continuously. Finish by establishing daily routines and a single troubleshooting approach. Wear the watch snugly above your wrist bones so heart rate and SpO2 sensors contact skin consistently. Make sure skin is clean and dry for best readings. Sync every day and accept firmware updates in device settings to improve stability. If readings or sync fail, first toggle Bluetooth, force close the app, and restart the watch. This clears common connection glitches without losing stored data and usually restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.